What's up, everybody? Today we're gonna be doing some paint on Bobby's engine bay. Yeah, working on the 240 today. So we're gonna get Bobby's engine bay all prepped up today. Figured might as well do everything now while mild motor's out. Alright guys, well we're going to get rocking on this engine bay. We're just going to start sanding everything, getting it ready for primer. Hopefully we get it all primer today, maybe next couple days, something like that, we get it painted.
And I wait. Focus on real and nothing else. Focus on real and nothing else.
Pretty good. We got everything pretty much cleaned up down to bare metal here. We just have a little more cleaning to do over on this right side where the brake master cylinder was, the booster. Just get all this crap out of here, get that down to metal, and then we can start priming it. Huh? He said, oh my god, there's gonna be a vlog, I gotta get in it. Just in the vlog hall. What up, vlog hogs?
What's up? Saw the cars outside. So you're gonna stop by?
Yeah.
Only time you stop by, huh?
Wow. I never go this way, but.
Oh, yeah.
What are you guys doing?
We're gonna start getting this bay ready for paint. So we're gonna, he's basically just gonna take a couple things. He's gonna take the slave off to the clutch master, or the clutch master cylinder, I should say. We're gonna put the wheels, drop the wheels down.
Like with the coils?
We're gonna drop the coils right down, so that way all this is out of the way and we don't have to worry about taping all this crap off. So we drop the wheels down to the ground, take off the master cylinder there, and put like a sheet over the wheels or something, just so we don't paint all this inside shit. And then maybe just cover his rack. We don't really care if we get paint on his subframe there, because he's got a new subframe there with the relocated rack on it. So this rack's not even being used.
I've been kind of going back and forth on like what I want to do, because I'm gonna do the inside of the car. So then I was thinking, well, maybe I should make the engine bay match, and then I wasn't sure if I was gonna do a white or like a silver.
Yeah.
And then I thought about maybe like a darker, like gray, because I didn't want to do like black.
Yeah, right.
And then that would kind of make my cage pop a little bit more.
So I was considering, so like I said, I found that guy Brooksty on Instagram that sells front and rear overs for like $3.90 shipped.
Damn, that's
yeah, like
must be nice.
That's like dirt cheap. So I'm like, oh shit. So I talked to him about him. I talked to him about it, and I said I'm gonna buy him soon. So probably within the next couple weeks, I'm gonna order them. So if I get overs, I'm gonna have to paint my car. Like it's so basically, I think I'm just doing overs and wheels, paint, and a dual caliper kit, and then that's it. You know what I mean? And then I think that's it for me for the season.
Purple flake on the outside, and then on the inside, maybe like a gunmetal red, and then do small purple flake, just to kind of tie it together, maybe. Or just keep it just a regular gray.
You're right.
But then do the cage, the highlighter yellow. I think it would be just enough
To match your subframe.
Well, yeah, that's kind of my accent color. But like, you don't see those accents unless you pop the hood or pop the trunk. Like, you know, that's what I'm kind of thinking about that. Like, you'd see the cage like all the time. But that would be like the only thing you would see of that color. So I don't think it would be too much.
Justin, you wanna grab the wheel and hold it up so I can pull this jack out, and then that way the coilover can just rest up against his inner wheel. It's probably because his coilover's like up against the thing.
Yeah.
You good now?
Yep.
It should just rest like that.
Yeah. I mean, I would probably. Once you get the rack off.
Actually, yeah. Oh, the only thing he's got holding it on is the tie rod. Yeah. Right. Yeah. No, it'll just sit just like that. That's good enough.
You know, something you wouldn't really see unless you're in there looking.
But see, that's the thing. We gotta do different stuff. We gotta like. Justin, you wanna come over on this side?
Yeah.
So just. Actually, let down on it a little bit.
Yeah.
Alright, there you go.
Hey, you want to stay out here or you coming in?
Oh, actually, no, it's still coming down. So that one's out. Actually, maybe go underneath his. Yeah, that's it right there. Now let it down slowly, or if you want, I'll let it down. You want to just grab it. I don't know which way. Oh, yeah, there we go. Yep. Now just, I guess, hold the wheel. You got another can, Bob?
Why are we over now?
Yeah, this one's like done. Yeah, oh yeah, definitely. We're at Ace Hardware now. We got to pick up some more primer and some paint so we can finish this thing. So we'll catch you when we get back. The stabilization, I guess.
Yeah,
the new Heroes.
I watch a lot of comparison videos.
Yeah, maybe I'll just do it that way because I really don't feel like spending all that money. Especially since I don't know if this is going to be the car I'm going to drift forever. Like I'll probably drift it for the next season and Then I'll be my deciding factor on if I go crazy or if I just go with a different chassis. I don't really know. That's kind of weird. So we're just gonna have to like float it in here.
It's actually gonna be nice to have like everything's
Oh yeah, that's what I'm saying. And you'll be able to, yeah, they'll all do. Alright, so we threw one coat of primer on, and we're getting ready to put another coat on. And we're gonna have to let that sit, let that dry before we can sand it. Second coat of primer's on. Drying right now. So we're gonna have to wait for this stuff to dry before we can sand it. So might have to do that another day. And we'll get the paint on there. Get some crazy flake in the clear coat. It'll look sweet. Alright guys, I think that's gonna wrap it up for today. We're gonna let this thing sit right here. Let it dry. Once it's dry, I'm gonna come by with my 3M Scotch-Brite pads, and we'll get all those little ridges in that. Get all the little ridges in the primer down flat. Lay out some paint. He's just using some metallic Rust-Oleum also. And then I'm gonna use actual 2K clear. I'm gonna shoot that out of a gun. So if I was doing it, I probably would have shot like base coat, clear coat, but this looks good enough. He's got the same color on some other parts, and the gloss looks pretty nice on just regular Rust-Oleum. So I don't know, you'll see. It'll look good. Figured we'd kind of make a video on doing this bay too, so you can kind of see how you can paint a bay with just spray paint and it actually looks good too. We're actually going to use like a real 2K clear coat though. That's the difference. That's probably what makes or breaks a spray paint job. Yeah, no, looks good. I have to obviously get a couple coats on it. Here it is. One coat. So I'm gonna go ahead and start masking off the rest of this car so I don't get a flake all over his wrap here. So we throw in his bash bars and his bar for his headlights. So we just gotta paint that up now while it's there. All masked up, ready to go.
Focus on real and nothing else. Focus on real and nothing else. Focus on real and
Alright, so we got 2 coats on. Nice and wet. Check that out. Okay. So that's just 2 coats of spray paint so far. There's no clear on this yet. So once we put the clear in it, you'll see all the flake and everything. We're still deciding whether or not we're going to put the gold or the silver in. Might put both. I don't know. We're going to find out. Bobby's got a poll on Instagram and we're going to go off that. So this is looking sick so far. Alright, till another day. Well, today's the day we're going to paint this thing. Put some flake on it. I think it's going to look really nice. I'm going to mix up some clear coat, check out the flake. And I'm not going to film this whole process. I'm just going to paint it and let you see it when it's done. So. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen, the Flake Bay.
Bobby's gonna work on his sack.
Do you think Bobby happy with it?
Oh yeah.
It looks ball.
What's going on? Come on.
So this was cheap too. We used what, 2 primer cans, 3 spray paint cans?
3.
Yeah, 3 cans of Rust-Oleum. And then I had clear laying around from old cars that we painted in the past. So clear was, I guess, free, but even if you bought it, it probably only cost you $100 for like a gallon kit of the stuff that I got. Flake is like dirt cheap. You can buy flake for like $6 for like way more flake than you'll ever need in your life. So I don't know, roughly we'll say if we bought the clear, maybe $110 or something like that. $130, somewhere around that area. Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap this video up. So if you really like this, comment, subscribe, like, all that good jazz, you know. But this thing's sick. Check out his Instagram. It's at Bobby Beck. I'll put it down there. 2Ks, yeah. And if you want to follow his build, he's building his LS1 soon, putting that back in here. I got my E36. We're gonna be drifting a lot this upcoming season, so check it out. Alright guys, thanks for watching.
No.